When I first started looking for a school for my child, I didn't really know what I wanted. Since it was the first school and the first time my child was going to go in an educational institution. But I must say that Bachpan has created a very high standard for all the future schools that my child is going to go to. So at that time I didn't know, right, what I was looking for. After going through this year, I realized that Bachpan has given me number one, a very good curriculum, because we don't know where to start from, where to begin teaching our children. By now, she knows how to say the days of the week. She knows the months of the year. She knows her manners. All this stuff I didn't even know that by this age she would already learn. Number two, Bachpan has given me a wonderful infrastructure. I could not even think that I never even had a school where I could, go and play in a ballroom, and there's a sand pit, and the best thing, there's an AV room within the campus. All this plus so much more. Number three, the teachers over here are amazing. To send a child from home to a place where she's going to spend a whole year is very scary. But it's very nice to know that the teachers here are like parents away from parents. One of the most amazing things that I didn't know would make so much of a difference were the books. They weren't just books, there was another Spico pen with it, which I have never seen in the market, or I have never ever seen any other child from any other school having such a thing. She just loves to spend time with the books and the Spico pen, and she has managed to learn all the rhymes just by using it. So yeah, to summarize my experience here, it has been so nice, and it is going to be so difficult for me to take my child away from this school and put her into a new school. So thanks a lot, Bachpan.
जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है क्या तुझे किया है, बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं ना रे.
We
love बचपन,
इंडिया का
फेवरेट प्ले स्कूल.
बचपन प्ले स्कूल, क्योंकि बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है.